Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the text bigger in your browser permanently and not adjusting the zoom every single time. Because think about if you want to have a bigger text in your browser and you need to go into your browser every single time and want to adjust the zoom, that is going to be an issue. So I'm going to show you how to adjust it permanently. In this setup I have three screens. This is screen number 3. This is screen number 1. This is screen number 2. Let's go to the display settings. To do that, right click on the desktop and go to display settings, and you can see all your displays. So I'm going to go to number 3 and I'm going to go to scale and layout, and I'm going to adjust that to 150. You can already see the text are now much bigger. So I'm going to go back again and I'm going to go to screen number 2, leave it at 100%. That's the actual size. Now I'm going to show you the real difference. I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to go to Yahoo Finance and I'm going to pull out an article here, say this one. So let's look at the screen size here. So it is pretty readable and pretty big, and I'm going to copy this link and paste it over here, and I'm going to show you how the text looks like in this one and how the text looks like in this one. You can clearly see this text is much bigger than this text. But if you go here to see the zoom size, its zoom size is 100%. Go here and check the zoom size. This is also 100%. But you can see the text is much smaller here and text is much bigger here. So if you have a multiple display like that, you can have different scale and layout for each of your display. So you can open up the application in those monitors without needing to adjust the scale and layout into those application every single time. Because when you adjust those scale and layout in an application and you close that application, most of the time your settings won't stay there. So this is a nice way to adjust the scale and layout among your multiple display. If you have learned something from this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.